One of the most astonishing living beings on Earth is the redwood tree. Redwoods are a species of tree that can grow taller than a building about 30 stories high and can live for thousands of years. Known as the tallest and largest trees in the world, redwoods are so massive that they cannot even fit into a single camera frame. That's why National Geographic created a high-resolution image of a redwood tree by stitching together numerous photos. In this episode, we will learn about how this extraordinary wonder of nature, the redwood tree, grows so large. Redwoods are a type of giant, long-lived conifer tree native to the coastal regions of California. The term redwood primarily refers to two main species, the coast redwood and the giant sequoia. Among these, the coast redwood is known as the tallest tree in the world. These trees can grow up to 300 feet or even taller when they find the right environment. One of the key reasons redwood trees grow so tall is their unique cell structure and growth process. Unlike ordinary trees, they don't just rely on soil nutrients, they also absorb moisture from the air and fog. This additional water supply helps them grow rapidly and for an extended period. Inside the tree, a special type of tissue called xylem transports water upwards. The xylem of redwoods is extremely strong and capable of transporting water over long distances. As a result, no matter how tall the tree gets, water can still reach its top. A major strength of redwood trees is fog. The coastal regions have dense fog and the trees can directly absorb water from this fog. This ability to absorb water through their leaves sets redwoods apart from other trees. Studies have even shown that about 30 to 40% of a redwood tree's total water comes from fog. This extra water helps them grow so large. Despite being so tall, redwoods do not easily break or fall over. This is because redwood wood contains a chemical compound called tannin, which makes the wood extremely strong and naturally resistant to insects. Additionally, the structure of the wood is designed so that the pressure across the entire tree is evenly distributed. The bark of the redwood tree is also remarkably thick, sometimes reaching up to 12 inches in thickness. This thick bark protects the redwood from damage even when forest fires occur. We know that the taller a tree is, the deeper its roots go into the ground. But the most peculiar thing is that even though redwoods are so tall, their roots don't go very deep into the soil. Instead, these roots spread out near the surface. However, redwoods don't stand alone. They intertwine their roots with each other. This interconnection between multiple trees increases their stability, allowing them to withstand storms and strong winds with ease. Through these roots, redwood trees can also share nutrients with one another. Redwood trees can live for nearly 1,000 years. The primary reason for this is their incredibly strong immune system. Due to tannins, they are largely protected from fungi, insects, and diseases. Furthermore, although their growth is slow, they continue to grow constantly, which helps them survive in the long term. Redwood trees require a specific environment to thrive. Mild weather, abundant fog, humidity, and nutrient-rich soil. These four elements are rarely found together in one place. Therefore, redwoods cannot grow everywhere in the world. That is why the redwood tree is an extraordinary and wondrous creation of nature. Redwood trees are not only the tallest and largest trees in the world, but their wood is also extremely valuable and versatile. Because it is naturally resistant to insects and decay, this wood is commonly used for constructing exterior walls of houses. Redwood has a reddish-brown color and beautiful grain patterns, making it ideal for crafting attractive furniture. Since the wood doesn't rot easily, it was also used extensively in the past for making water tanks and barrels for storing wine. We know that trees are highly beneficial for nature. However, there are also some trees that can cause severe damage to the natural environment. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Take care, stay healthy, bye, and thank you very much for watching the video.